Hello, we are here today on today's tutorial and we are going to be discussing the secret detox system inside your body. So in other words, you can say toxicology made easy, or you can say the science of xenobiotic metabolism. Let's get that into it. When you look at this animation, you can see dangerous chemical, pesticides, smoke, alcohol bottles, medicine, industrial toxins, and polluted air, how they are all rushing towards your body. And you also will able to see how the liver transforms this dangerous toxin into harmless water-soluble molecules flowing towards the kidney. Have you imagined swallowing a tablet, breathing polluted air, eating vegetable containing pesticide residues, drinking coffee, applying perfume, even using toothpaste? Did you know that your body considers many of these substances to be xenobiotics? Are you aware? So every single day, your body fights thousands of foreign chemicals without even noticing. But then how? The answer lies inside one remarkable organ in your body, in our body, and the organ is the liver. So today tutorial, we are going to discover the incredible science of toxicology and xenobiotic metabolism. This medical illustration is made with realistic anatomy. You may want to know what is toxicology. Toxicology is a scientific study of harmful substances and how they affect living organisms. It answers four major questions. What is the poison? How does it enter the body? What damage does it cause? And how does the body eliminate it? The famous toxicologist Paracelsus said, the dose makes the poison, and that even water becomes toxic if consumed excessively. In this video here, you can see the medical laboratory with scientists studying poisonous chemicals, biological samples, organs, DNA, and molecular structure. You can see how they analyze blood sample here with microscope. Let's continue. What are xenobiotics? Xenobiotics are chemicals foreign to the body. They are not naturally produced by our metabolism. An example are drug, alcohol, cigarette smoke, food additive, industrial chemicals, pesticides, herbicide, heavy metals, cosmetics, plastic chemicals, environmental pollutants, and our body must detoxify every one of them. And these xenobiotics, they have their roots of entrance or exposure. We have oral injection, inhalation, scale absorption, injection. And once they are inside the bloodstream, they travel rapidly to different organs. You can see the four main exposure routes explained in this video here. How it enters through the digestive tracts, the lung, the skin, and bloodstream. And once this is done, they travel throughout the body. You have seen the medical diagram here. This is the journey of the molecules and the journey through absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. This process determines whether a chemical becomes harmless or dangerously toxic. Yes. This is the elegant infographic illustrating the NDMA with its illustration. As you can see here, these arrows are connecting the organs. If you look very well, all the arrows connecting the organs. We are at the liver now, the detoxification factory. The liver is the body's largest chemical processing plant. Its cells contain enzymes that continuously transform toxic compounds into safer molecules. And the most important enzyme system in this liver is cytochrome P450, which many biochemists is aware of that name, cytochrome P450. You can see in this video the detailed liver anatomy growing with microscopic enzyme activity and molecular structure. When we talk about the metabolism, this phase introduces or exposes functional groups on xenobiotics, and their main reaction include the oxidation stage, the reduction stage, the hydrolysis stage. And this reaction often involves cytochrome P450 enzymes. Sometimes this phase make chemical more toxic instead of less toxic. So you see this animated enzyme video, the microscopic enzyme reaction showing the oxidation stage. Now, I will still talk about the cytochrome P450. The cytochrome P450 enzyme metabolizes nearly 75% of all the prescription drugs. Important family in this group, we have the CP3A4, CYP2D6, CYP2C9, and CYP1A2. These enzymes determines how quickly drugs are eliminated. So you can see the scientific visualization of cytochrome P450 enzyme interacting with colorful drug molecules. The phase 2 we call the metabolism stage. Phase 2 attaches highly water-soluble molecules to toxins. Major conjugation reactions include sulfation, glucuronidation, acetylation, methylation, glutathione conjugation, and this actually increases excretion. When you look at this video here, you can see molecule attaching glucuronic acid, sulfate, methyl, acetyl, and glutathione group to the toxins. You can also notice chemical conjugation reaction which occur with molecular animation, making toxins water soluble, as you can see in this infographic animated video. So when I'm talking about this xenobiotics metabolism, it is very important for you to note everything that happened in each of the stage of this reaction, starting from the beginning, the metabolism, to the excretion stage. In this infographic animated video, you can see the factors influencing metabolism as written here: your diet, your age, the medication you take, the genetics, the healthiness of your liver. You can see it here, how they impact in all these stages. So I would like you to take your time and go through this animation and use the arrow to put them down and know what is linking to each other. So after detoxification, xenobiotics live through urine, bowel, physics, sweat, breath, breast milk. So this is the excretion stage. That is what I mentioned, the means through which xenobiotics live after metabolism. It is also good to note that there are factors affecting this metabolism, and the factors are age, nutrition, liver disease, kidney disease, alcohol, smoking, drug interaction, pregnancy. And there's something I want you to note, that two people taking the same drug may react differently. Now let's enter another stage, the toxicity level. The toxicity can be acute sometimes, chronic, it can be local, it can be systemic, it can be reversible, and at worst situations, it can be irreversible. Example include the liver damage, kidney injury, nerve damage, and the horrible cancer. See the description. This is how we go about the poison management principle. Treatment may depend on removing the source, some supportive care, some activated charcoal when appropriate. There are some that have specific antidotes. Enhanced elimination method in selected cases. And it is good for you to know that early intervention greatly improves outcome. You can see the medical team in this infographic video. And I want you to also know that this tutorial is for educational purposes. Take note of that. Understanding xenobiotic metabolism have helped the healthcare professional greatly. They help them to prescribe safe drugs, prevent drug interaction. It has also helped them to manage overdoses, the adverse effects. It has helped them to personalize treatment. Healthcare professionals collaborate using digital models of drug metabolism to optimize patient care. Every day, our body is exposed to countless foreign chemicals, but we thank God to sophisticated detoxification system, especially the liver and its enzyme network. And some of these substances are transformed into compounds that can be safely eliminated. Understanding toxicology and xenobiotic metabolism is essential for medicine, pharmacy, biochemistry, and public health because it explains why some chemicals heals. It explains why some others harm. It explains why the same substance can have very different effects depending on the dose and the individual. So I hope you understand all that I've explained in this metabolism and you enjoy it very well.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth biochemistry and pharmacology tutorials.